Good morning, everybody. What's going on? Got a little show of the lights right now. Had it decide. Everything that's probably go black like that or smoke. The lights here. And I got some lights going out on the dash in there. It's okay. I'm gonna change the bulbs in there. Hey everyone, I'm back again from that little show of lights of the cars. Gonna take out these, the H7s, the light bulb, high beam and low beam, connected to bulb, which that one has one of those pinch wires. You pinch it and you unhook it from the clasp that it has there. And they give you a glove with this particular brand off Amazon. I'll try to remember to list it below. Let's do this real quick. A little bit bigger than the ones I took out. Plug it in, simple as that. See if I can get you down in here. And they only go in one way. The one hand thing I'm not good at. Put it in, turn it back. The clamp I was talking about that you push over. Not too bad once you get the hang of it. To give y'all a better shot of how you connect these in the back. And I know you Beamer guys know 4 screws, this one, the T27s, and then down at the bottom, sorry I don't have the light on there, but it's 2 more screws, and I think they're T20s or T25s. It's one in that corner. It's going to be one over here in this corner. I decided I'd do a little time lapse on this thing. And just go right through. Called out my assistant, Bear. Bear, you want to say hello? You say hello to everybody? Come here. Just waking up, huh? Yeah? Okay. Got a new camera here my wife has. And I tell you, it's one of those creator content ones that moves when you move. I ain't used to it yet. These are the clips I was talking about. These springs here hold the light down. If you're not used to it, they're not fun. This one's just a twist and turn. Slides in, so the one I say get you more difficult if you can't get it in. Little small screwdriver, push down, move to the side, pops out. And then everything just goes back in. Find your grooves, just point it. Down and turn. There you go. And turn. It's in. One is out the way. I had trouble because I was trying to put it in with the wire on, connected to its connector. Best way to do it, find the screws, pull it down, see, get it over the little hooks, clips into place, and then put your wire connector on. The other one is very easy. They just got a couple of tabs to pull off and then slide the new one back in, push it in, turn it, and then I'll show you how it's set up. Not too bad. It's easier this way if you decide to take the bulbs out and everything, but Not bad. And to change the bottom ones, this one didn't come with its floor. I'm sorry, the bottom cover up the oil pan and everything. So it's easy just to reach in there, turn it, and pull it out. Wasn't too bad. Now I'm just gonna put it back together and then I'll show you how they look.